Silk Expert Pro 5, the latest IPL by Braun, the safest, fastest and most efficient IPL. Remove all the hair in the area you wish to treat with your preferred hair removal method. Then pat your skin dry. Plug in the device and start the treatment. To ensure maximum safety, skin contact sensors ensure that the device only flashes when in full contact with the skin. Senso-Adapt sensors will continuously and automatically adapt the light intensity to your skin tone for the safest treatment. Hold the treatment button for fast treatment even in larger areas and for fewer missed spots. Alternatively, press and release the treatment button for precise treatments in smaller areas. Choose one of the 3 comfort modes to adapt the intensity range to your sensitivity. Prior to facial treatment, clean the skin and remove any existing hair. Use the precision head for even more precise results in smaller areas, like face or bikini line. Treat once a week for the first 4 to 12 weeks, then continue IPL to your needs, for example every 1 to 2 months. Download and use the Silk Expert Pro app to plan and track your treatments, or learn more about Braun IPL. Available on App Store and Google Play. The result? Safe, fast and effective permanent visible hair removal. With Silk Expert Pro 5 IPL by Braun, the safest, fastest and most efficient IPL.